Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy Original. This is my Ipsy Original, used to be the Glam bag. Let's get into it and see what I've got. This has recently undergone a name change. We have called it the Ipsy Glam bag for many a year, probably more than a decade. It is now the Ipsy Original. It is the $14 bag with 5 deluxe samples inside. Sometimes you will have a full-size product, but 5 deluxe samples is what they tell you. You will have a cute little bag. You will have had a choice of one of your items. They give you a selection and you can pick the one that is best for you. Let's get into it and see what I've got. This is my December bag. She's cute. That is really cute. It's like lavender with pink bows. The background feels satin, but the bows feel kind of like glitter. They do feel, can you hear it? They feel glittery. That is very cool. The pull is kind of a complementary burgundy with the zipper. Betting that's what color the inside is. Let's see. Yes, it is. That is what color the inside is. We have our paperwork, and those are my goodies. Those are very small goodies. We'll see what I chose. I don't remember what I have in here. I have been off and on not feeling great for the better part of a month, but I have my voice and I feel much better. Play Beauty Spread Joy, December 2025 with the Ipsy Original. You do have a list of your products on the inside. Oh, and I did have one on the outside. This is heavy actually and quite firm. I'm not sure what it is yet. It is the Beautology Lab Nano Active Gold Hydrolyzed Plant Collagen Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Refresh and Revitalize 24 Karat Gold Collagen Eye Masks. Welcome to my TED Talk. That is what that is. I'm going to guess that there's just one set in here. Oh, 2 sets, 2 pairs. Apply masks flat. We know how to put this on. Let's check out the ingredients. Everything. Oh, licorice. So I will set this aside. I am allergic to New Year, new me. Nope. Still allergic to licorice root. So I will set this aside. Ironically, I have very sensitive skin and licorice root is a calming ingredient that they put into things. And yet, for me, it is not calming. I don't know why I took my glasses off. Let's see what this says. Late night, no one has to know. No one has to know. These golden hydrogel masks help calm puffiness, visibly reduce dark circles, and smooth fine lines with hydrolyzed plant collagen. They leave your under eyes looking bright, refreshed, and way more well-rested than your feet. Oh, than you feel. Gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, and they have a $10. It is full size and it is a $10 value. That makes me a little nervous as to where this day is going, but we'll just keep rolling. It'll be fine. Okay, next out we have, wow, I should do some, oh, I was thinking it was a lippy, but I'm gonna guess with the brush at the end. This is not a lippy. It is the Beauty for Certain Tubing Brow Gel. Tubing brow gel. You guys know I love a tubing mascara. The Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions is my absolute favorite mascara. I don't think I've ever heard of a tubing brow gel. Fluffy, full, and fuss-free. This gel helps you get the brows of your dreams. Shape and lift your arches with zero crunch or stiffness. Just flexible hold that lasts all day. It is full size. It has an $18 value. I have a little bit of on my eyebrows, so I'm not sure if we can double up and put more over it, but I'm kind of tempted because tubing. Have you guys ever used a tubing brow gel? Up top, we have the little comb and little brush. Actually, I think we have that off and it looks just kind of creamy. I don't think, I mean, we can try and put it on. I already have the Thrive Cosmetics brows on, but they're just clear. Let's see if this will go over it and if I can see it. Nope. I can't really feel it. I can feel it on my skin a little bit. It feels a little creamy. It does feel like it made my brows a little creamier. I will try and notice tomorrow, and I don't know that it counts since, like I said, I already have some on there, but I will try and notice tomorrow if this tube's off at all. My favorite reason for using the tubing mascara is I, under here, get raccoon eyes. I have the hardest time getting regular mascara, even with all of the nice, you know, Lancome and everybody's eye makeup removers. I still feel like I just have a hard time getting it from under my eyes. And with the tubing, I just get it a little wet and kind of woo, 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 back and forth, splash, gone. No raccoon eyes. I don't think I need that for my brows, especially in a clear, but I am kind of intrigued. So we will give this a try. Next out, we have a little tiny, look how little that is, it's so cute. Maracuja Juicy Lip. I think it might be Tarte. Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm in Rose. Gloss meets balm in this juicy formula that cushions lips with hydration while adding a glossy pop of a rosy color. Powered by the brand's Maracuja oil, this yummy formula helps to nourish and smooth for that fresh, juicy look. And it says you can layer it over lipstick to add shine and a boost of hydration. And this is 2 grams. Nope. The full-size version is 2 grams. I don't think there's a chance I'm finding how many grams this is, but it's much smaller than full-sized. Oh, and it is literally a balm. Oh my goodness, that is going to be so cute to just put in my purse. Can you guys see that? Can I see that? Oh yeah, it's just, it does look juicy. It's just kind of a juicy little pink. I like that a lot. Oh, well, how's it look on my nose? I like that a lot. We will give that a try. Let's see. I was going to see how much there is. Here's hoping I can squirrely it back down. Oh, wow, this is a decent amount. Actually, now that I've got it up, can you guys see that it still goes down to here? Is it better with my hand or without? With or without? That is a really decent amount. I'm very impressed. Like I said, I will put this in my purse. Super handy. My lips have been wrecked. You know, when you don't feel great and you're breathing through your mouth and all the things are happening. My lips have been wrecked, but I have gotten them back in shape with my City Beauty Nighttime Lip Oil. But keeping good care of them during the day will work lovely. Okay, next out, I have the Yensa Beauty Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This satin sheen primer melts in to blur pores and smooth fine lines, while superfoods like black sesame oil and black seaweed help brighten and soften. Worn alone, it gives you that fresh, no makeup radiance. Layered under foundation, it makes everything glide on seamlessly. If it were full-sized, it would be 1 ounce and it would be $37. This is a deluxe sample that is 0.3 fluid ounces. So what is that? About $9 worth. Put a little bit. It's a very full one. Very full little tube. Can you see where I just put this? Glides on very smoothly. It feels very nice. It is a little darker, actually. I don't know if you can see kind of where I have it, if that shows that it's actually a little bit darker than my skin tone. That is not hard to be. That's not hard to be a little darker than my skin tone. No scent. I like the way it feels. I will absolutely give it a try. It feels like it lays a little thick, but it could just be the amount I put in that small space. But like I said, I'll give it a try. In the winter, I will layer 47 layers. Anything I can to keep my face nice and moist. Okay, and last out, we have Adagio Cooling Scalp Serum. Cooling Scalp Serum sounds lovely. It probably has menthol or something in it. It is Soothing Relief Cooling Scalp Serum. Banish discomfort with the refreshing treatment that helps gently exfoliate and boost hydration. Lactic acid soothes and balances, while a refreshing cooling sensation adds an extra My husband's gonna want this. He's gonna love trying this. It says to massage it in before shampooing for maximum flake fighting magic. If you love it, a 30 ml is $49. This is 30 ml. The MSRP of a full-size version of this product, 30 ml, is $49. That can't be true, because this is 30 ml. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up. This is very difficult to find information about on the internet. Everything that I'm looking at says this is a $49 full size. Could be. Can't prove that it's not with the internet. If you can find something out there, if you've tried it, you love it, let us know below what you think. But I'm given the impression that you put a couple dots on your scalp, you rub it in, you let it sit, and then you wash it out. But it never really says how much of this you should use. Apply 1 to 2 times a week, depending on scalp congestion and oiliness. And even on this, it doesn't say to massage in before shampooing. It says it on this, so. Lots of questions, but this sounds like something my husband would love, so I will pass it along to him. If he has good luck with it, I will let you guys know. I don't even know what that means. Like, the cooling feels nice and his scalp feels moisturized. I don't have a dry scalp. I do use a lot of hair oils because of my length, which I cut a lot off of, but still I pull it through at the ends. But we got this, which is a cooling scalp serum for moisturization, the Yensa primer, the Beauty for Certain tubing brow gel, the Beautology eye masks, and this really cute, totally worth it just for this little Tarte Maracuja, what did they call it? Juicy Lip Balm in Rose. It's a lip balm gloss. Sounds lovely. Okay, that was my Ipsy original, also known as my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, if you like it, you get the cute little bag. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I'm not sponsored. I buy these products because I've just always thought the Ipsy bag things were fun. I like what I get. I know that some people don't love deluxe trial sizes. I kind of do. I am super sensitive. So when I have a full-sized $120 product, I'm less likely to try it if I think it's not going to work for me, because it seems like such a waste. So that kind of thing I pass along. But if I get a little bit of something, I'm way more likely to try it. So this totally works for me. I like my Ipsy. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a great holiday season, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys again really soon. Take care.